Hi there, I'm Steve Smith, and I teach the two plant-oriented core courses for natural resources majors. That's Field Botany, RNR 230R, and Field Botany Laboratory, RNR 230L. Our overall goal for both of these courses is to help you learn about the many amazing things that plants are able to do in wildland environments. In lecture, we learn about plant growth and development. Then we cover reproduction and evolution and how all of these factors are affected by the environment, and also the many roles that plants play in ecological processes. In the laboratory, which is only taught in person and only during the fall semester, we focus on the skills required to function as a botanist in the field. This involves group observation of plants, both in the field and the lab, where we learn about identification, but also quite a bit of individual work in the field, including generation of your own plant collection. In these courses, we help you answer questions like, why do saguaros, those amazing long-lived plants that you see behind me here, live so long? And why do they live in the environment where we find them? We also answer questions like, what do saguaros do for other organisms in these environments? We try to keep these courses fun, and I do my best to help all of you learn about the amazing organisms that plants are. I'm looking forward to seeing you in field botany in the future, and would be more than happy to answer any questions you may have about the courses or about plants in the meantime.